5 people were killed after a chopper they were flying in crashed at Lobolo in Central Island National Park in Turkana County last night. The pilot, identified as Captain Mario Magonga, died alongside 4 other American passengers. And TV's Sharon Baranga has more details.
At Section 6 estate in Kitale town, the family of Captain Mario Magonga gathers to confront their pain. Mario was killed alongside 4 Americans when the chopper he was in crashed at Lobolo in Central Island National Park in Turkana County. The crash happened last night, some minutes past 8 o'clock. His family now left with fond memories of him.
Sasa kwa kweli mtoto ndiye alikuwa ananisaidia sana. Ingawa kuna mali nilikuwa nimenunua na yeye ndiye alikuwa anashughulika naye. Ndiye alikuwa matumaini yangu kwa kweli. Nikitaka kitaweza kunipa mtoto yangu. Sijui nitakuwa mama wa nani sasa.
It is reported that 2 choppers arrived at the Lobolo tented camp on Sunday. Turkana Deputy County Commissioner says that the tourists were set to travel on Monday to Central Island, that is about 75 kilometers from the shores of Lake Turkana. The 45-year-old pilot now leaves behind 3 children.
Mario was a very reserved kind of a person. He took his work seriously. And he did not involve us, the family, in the work that he was doing. I think because he realized it was a bit sensitive. And we're just shocked. We're shocked.
The wreckage of the helicopter and the bodies were found early today. Investigations are ongoing to determine the cause of the accident. Mario was also Deputy President William Ruto's pilot. Sharon Baranga, NTV.